Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our truck hardware front and rear finishing end caps on a 2019 GMC Sierra. These caps are a great way to provide a finished look for your truck and to allow for the installation of Gatorback mudflaps on your 2019 Sierra. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, we will begin removing the rear factory guards from the vehicle by unscrewing the 4 factory screws as shown. Set this hardware aside for later reinstallation. Next, use a 5/16 socket on an extension to collapse the push pin on the inside of the factory cap. You can reach the push pin through the cavity on the fender as shown. Now that the factory guard is removed, we will begin installing our custom finishing cap. Slightly peel back the red 3M tape on the inside of your Gatorback cap and fold it back as shown. With the tape slightly pulled back, put the cap into place, ensuring that the top lip of the mold slides under the fender molding as shown. Once in place, reinstall the 4 factory screws to secure the cap. Be careful you do not accidentally over-tighten any screws during installation. Please note that the empty screw slot on the cap is for our Gatorback mudflap installation and has no corresponding factory screw. Finally, finish peeling the 3M tape and press firmly on the bottom side of the finishing cap to ensure a proper seal. With the rear end caps now installed, we will move on to the front of the vehicle. Remove the 10mm bolt on the bottom of the front factory guard as shown. Then proceed to remove the 3 remaining screws. Set this hardware aside for later reinstallation. Next, remove the front guard from the vehicle. Since there is no external access to the interior push pin like with the rear guard, we will have to pull off the guard by hand. Next, slightly peel back the red 3M tape as before on the inside of your custom finishing end cap and fold it back as shown. With the tape slightly pulled back, put the cap into place, ensuring again that the top lip of the cap slides under the fender molding as shown. Once in place, reinstall the bolt and 3 factory screws we previously removed. Be careful you do not accidentally over-tighten any fasteners during installation. Finally, Peel off the rest of the 3M tape and press firmly on the bottom side of the finishing cap to ensure a proper seal. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your truck hardware finishing end caps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.